Do you want to be a millionaire? What about a crypto millionaire? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can become a millionaire just off crypto. We'll also be talking about how to get started and how to know if a crypto investment is right for you. Millionaire crypto strategy number 1, buy and hold. Basically, it works like this. You buy one asset today and hold onto that asset for several years. After several years, you hope that asset gained value. So for instance, if you would have bought one Bitcoin back in 2015 for only around $300, that one Bitcoin would now be worth around $34,000. This strategy allows your asset to grow for many, many years at a time. You can then take your asset and sell it for a profit down the road. Investors like to call this long-term investing, as the price of an asset usually goes up over time. But it doesn't always, though. So be careful about what you buy and only buy things with money that you don't immediately need. Number 2, short-term trading. Short-term trading is very different than long-term investing. For instance, with a long-term investment, you'd hold on to that asset for sometimes 5, 10, 20, even 30 years. But with short-term trading, you might only hold on to that asset for 24 hours. And the thing about crypto is that it's highly volatile, which means the price moves up and down very quickly. As we saw in 2021 alone, the price of one Bitcoin went from around $60,000 all the way down to around $30,000 in just a few months. So the strategy here, instead of buy and hold like it was in the long-term investing, now you want to buy low and sell high. This has a lot to do with timing the market. And timing the market can be very, very difficult. The way traders make money off of short-term investing is that they buy the asset at what they think is going to be the lowest price at that time. Then they sell that asset when they believe that it's at its very ceiling price. By doing just this, they can make tens of thousands of dollars off of one single coin. But investing like this has some serious risks. For one, nobody can single-handedly predict which way an asset class is going to go. At least not with 100% certainty. We can have an idea about which way a coin is going to go. It might go up, it might go down, but nobody knows for sure. So again, if you want to make money as a short-term trader in cryptocurrency, make sure you only invest money that you don't immediately need right now. That means don't YOLO your life savings into Dogecoin. Do your research, find a coin that you like, and then pick that coin based on those factors. Number 3, get paid in crypto. Now, this one could be a bit difficult if you have a traditional job. But if you work in an unconventional field, have a side hustle, or just want to give it a shot, ask whoever's paying you to pay you in crypto. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would anybody want to be paid in crypto? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin are basically just digital currencies. So, some businesses are allowing customers to purchase items with cryptocurrency. Being paid in crypto today could work out because if the value of your coin goes way up, you'll now have more money to spend. But it could also not work in your favor if the value of crypto goes down. Now, before you go out and spend all your money on the next big cryptocurrency, here's a few things to keep in mind. You first need to decide why you're investing in crypto. Like all assets, you need to figure out why you're buying it first before you actually buy it. And trust me, if you buy solely off trends, you'll probably lose money. So with crypto, what's your goal? Number 2, never invest more than you have. This goes back to what I said earlier about not YOLOing your entire life savings into Dogecoin. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that. But seriously though, don't treat the world of crypto like a casino. If you only have $100 to invest in crypto and you try to put in around $200 or worse, finance that money, it's gonna be hard to become a millionaire with that much debt. And finally, the most important thing you need to know about investing in crypto is that the market is widely unregulated. The stock market has the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission. Basically, they're there to protect investors and make sure that companies aren't trying to screw them over. Cryptocurrency doesn't have that, though. And if your crypto funds end up getting scammed from you or lost somehow, you'll have a hard time getting them back. So before you start trading any cryptocurrencies, whether you want to be a long-term trader, short-term trader, or get paid in crypto, you need to do research on the exchange that you're buying crypto on. Make sure that it's safe, secure, and has some sort of policy on lost or stolen funds. So yeah, you can become a millionaire with crypto by just doing 3 things. Investing for the long term with the buy and hold strategy, investing for the short term with the buy low, sell high strategy, or just having future employers paying you in crypto. But investing in crypto is not for everybody. So before you start investing in it, know your goals, never trade more than you have, and always research the exchange that you're trading on. That way you can become a responsible crypto investor instead of just trying to send things to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon! Yeah, what he said. But if you use crypto the right way and only invest in it smartly and responsibly, you can then ask your friends,